Design a room project. This project is created for the second grade level. The goal that I want to accomplish is that my students are able to design a dream room of any sort. They must have reasons why they chose the type of room and why they arranged it how they did. I created my rubric with my students in mind. I tried to write the descriptions in student-friendly language as much as possible. I also used descriptive words when explaining my expectations. The skills or objectives I want my students to accomplish are: number 1, room arrangement. This is how the items in the room were arranged. Students have to learn organizational skills and have to think about all the items they would want in their room. Number 2, creativity. Were the students creative with the room? For example, is it decorated? Does it have any rugs or wallpaper? What color is it painted? Or is it just a standard white room? Number 3, math skills. Did students use the math skills they possess to compute the dimensions of the room, such as the perimeter and the area? And number 4, presentation. Is a student able to present their design to the class, explaining why they chose the particular room and arrangement? Are there any decorations or colors in the room? And state the perimeter and area of their room. The performance levels I will be using to grade this project are below basic, basic, proficient, and advanced. Students will be assigned a score based on the total points earned on the rubric. For example, if students gain all of the points, 20 points, on the rubric, they will get 100%. If the students score a 19 points on the rubric, they would receive a 95%. If students scored 18 out of the 20 points on the rubric, they would get a 90%, and so on. I believe this project will be very valuable for students. This is a fun and exciting project for most of them. They get to express themselves and create a room that they desire. This project lets them get creative while using math, engineering, and presenting skills. The rubric will help me grade each project based on the same criteria. It will allow me to monitor students' learning process. The rubric will also help my students understand and be aware of what I expect of them. This project will help students see that learning is about gaining specific skills. And it also provides the students the opportunity to self-assess. I hope my students enjoy this project but are still challenged by my expectations. Thanks for listening.